Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 1 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, let's press the crown button twice to wake up the screen, and now we can swipe left or right to go through the already installed watch faces on our watch, like that. We can also touch and hold firmly on current watch face to open the watch face menu, like this. And here we can customize them, so let's tap on the customize right here. And now we can change the style of the watch face by just rotating the digital crown. As you can see, we can change it quite a bit. And once you're done, swipe left to change the color. Now let's swipe left again to edit the widgets. For example, let's tap on one, and now we can change it by just scrolling the digital crown. Once you're done, press the digital crown to confirm. And now we can just tap on one to select it. And as you can see, all our settings are saved. We can also use the watch app on our iPhone to do this, so let's do it. Let's place it here for a second, the watch, and close this, open the watch app. Here you can see we have list of watch faces on our watch, installed ones. We can edit, tap edit right here to edit it. And here we can move them, change the order of them. For example, we can touch and hold right here and move it farther or to the top of the list. Again, like that. And once we're done, we can also remove them by tapping this minus button right here. And once you're done, tap done. You can also tap right here on the face gallery. And right here you have more watch faces, custom ones. Some of them probably are made by people, or at least I think so. And you can select one, for example. This one looks like we don't have it, I think. Or maybe this one. Let's just tap on it. Here let's tap on add. And now when we go to my watch and my faces right here, you can see that the watch face was installed. So let's tap on it. And here you can either remove it or tap set as current watch face. So let's tap on set as current watch face. I think did it change? Let's see. Let's wake up the watch. Oh, it did. Okay, so it worked. And basically that's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.